Good evening, this is Vikrant. Today I am delivering one technical subject, that is Python programming. First, we will see what is Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. This is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989 at Netherlands. And this programming having some feature like Python is all-rounder nowadays. Python is very similar to English language syntax. It is simple and easy to learn. Python is recommended as first programming language for beginners. Previously it was C language. Where we can use Python means for developing desktop application, web application, database application, network programming, for developing games, data analytics application, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things. Why I said Python is all-rounder nowadays means we can use in different types of application. Okay, now we will see some program in Python. If we want to addition of two number means 2 plus 2, it will use 4 as a output. Suppose same program we have to implement in C or C++ or Java, it will take at least 7 to 8 lines, but in Python it will take only one line of code. Okay, same 5 into 2, it will give output as 10. If we want to display hello Python, just print hello Python. Suppose if we want to display all keywords in the Python, just implement simple program, just import keyword and keyword.kw list, and it will give all the keyword in Python. Above program you can type in command prompt, but Python having some IDE and editors: PyCharm, IntelliJ IDEA, Notepad, Sublime Text, Eclipse, NetBeans, Python IDE, Anaconda like Jupyter, Spider, and so on. Using this IDE or editor, we can implement all Python programming. Okay, thank you.